The family drama isn't always at home. Sometimes it goes down at the court, and this time it all has everything to do with Esther Musila, who has just suffered a major blow after losing a court battle involving the estate of her late husband in a case with her own son. What makes this story even more interesting is that this was not just a simple inheritance disagreement. According to the dispute that ended up in court, Esther Musila's own son felt that she had tried to sideline him and take full control of the estate, prompting him to fight back legally. And in the end, the court did not side with Esther. But how did it get this bad? Following the death of her previous husband Eric Kiptanui Naibei in 2016, Esther Musila, his widow, was appointed as the administrator of his estate, which simply gave her legal authority to handle and manage the estate of the deceased. However, one of her sons, her eldest son, Gideon Malan, challenged this move. Her son challenged that arrangement and argued that Esther Musila had gone ahead in a way that effectively locked him and other rightful beneficiaries out while placing herself in full control of the estate. He argued in court that he had not been involved in the proceedings, that his consent had been forged, and that some properties were concealed deliberately, and that the widow had effectively taken control of the entire estate. In short, he believed she was trying to play smart with the estate, and for a while it looked like she had succeeded. Esther Musila's counterclaims at the court were that her son was a drug addict and wouldn't be able to administer the estate or properly care for the rest of the property, including the shares. But her son was not willing to just sit back and watch. He pushed back and continued pushing in court, challenging her authority directly. Based off the recent ruling on the case by the High Court, the drug addict allegations placed on Gideon, the son by Esther Musila, were found to be false. On the contrary, Gideon was found to be sound of mind, gainfully employed, and capable of managing his affairs. And further, the court also established that the initial grant of letters, which allowed Esther Musila administration over the estate, were based on fraudulent mispresentation. The High Court found that the confirmation of the grant had been obtained fraudulently. The judge noted inconsistencies in the son's alleged consent and concluded that he had neither participated nor approved the distribution. Her remarriage to Guardian Angel also complicated matters. In its final ruling, the court revoked Esther Musila's grant of administration, meaning she no longer has complete control over the estate. The three children were then appointed as joint administrators, with the court further ordering that the estate be shared equally among them. Therefore, in this succession case, it seems the son has walked out of the courts a winner. What are your thoughts on this? Talk to us in the comment section, and thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned right here on BNN for more updates.